Hello everybody, welcome to English Grammar Academy. Today we are going to learn sentence, but by not memorizing any definition, we will observe, think and discover the rules step by step. So stay active and focused and try to answer before I explain. Look at the sentences on the blackboard, write them in your notebook and try to find out which are correct and which are incorrect. Look carefully. Number 1, she is very happy. Number 2, what beautiful day. Number 3, are you ready? Number 4, may you succeed life. Number 5, close the door. Now question is, which are correct and which are incorrect? Most importantly, why? Let us check one by one. Number 1, she is very happy. Is this a sentence or not? Firstly, it gives clear meaning. Secondly, proper word order. Thirdly, correct punctuation. So, it is a sentence. It is correct. Next, what beautiful day. Meaning is not clear. Meaning not clear. Article is missing. Punctuation is not maintained. So, it is incorrect. Next, are you ready? Clear meaning. Right structure. Proper punctuation. So it is correct. Next, may you succeed life. Incomplete. Meaning preposition is missing. No punctuation. So it is incorrect. Next, close the door. Complete sense. Proper word order. Correct punctuation. So it is correct. Now tell me, what do all correct sentences have in common? Yes, a correct sentence must have one, complete meaning. Number two, proper word order. Number three, logical and grammatical connection. And number four, correct punctuation. Now something interesting. Look at this situation. Is he in? Yes or no will be the answer. Yes or no is one word only. But does this one word express complete meaning? Yes, it expresses complete meaning because the situation or context is clear here. Next example. Has he gone? Answer will be no or yes. No or yes is only one word here. But does this one word expresses complete meaning? Yes. This only word expresses complete meaning because here also the situation is clear. Other examples: good, stop, impossible, certainly, fire. All of these are one word. But can one word express complete meaning? Yes. One word can express complete meaning if it is used in correct situation or context. What we learned from here? We learned that a sentence may be one word only when the situation or context is clear. Now look at this. Number one, what is your name? Name, please. Number two, show me your ticket. Ticket, please. No verb is used here, but the meaning is clear. Now we are ready to define sentence. A sentence is a word or a group of words that makes a complete sense in a particular situation or context. Observe carefully. We don't always speak in the same way. Sometimes we give information, sometimes we ask a question, sometimes we orders, sometimes we expresses feelings or wishes. So, based on purpose, sentences are of 5 types. So, let us discover one by one. assertive. Look at the examples. 1. I eat rice. Number 2. We go to school every day. Number 3. You are playing football. Number 4. He does not like tea. Here we are stating something. So a sentence which states or asserts or declares something is called assertive sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Look at the examples. 1. Do you play cricket? Number 2. Where are you going? Number 3. Is she your sister? These sentences are asking questions. So a sentence that asks question is called an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence ends with the sign of interrogation. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Look at the examples carefully. Number 1. Close the door. This sentence expresses order. Number 2. Please help me. This sentence expresses request. Number 3. Do not run in the sun. This sentence expresses advice. So, a sentence which expresses order, request, or advice is called an imperative sentence. What is special in this sentence? The special point in this sentence is that the subject you always remain hidden. Subject you always remain hidden. You should not write the subject you. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Look at the examples carefully. Number 1. What a beautiful flower. Number 2. Alas, I am undone. Number 3. How beautiful the sight is. These sentences express strong emotions. So, a sentence which expresses some sudden strong feelings or emotion is called an Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence ends with a sign of exclamation. Optative sentence. Optative sentence. Now look at the examples. Number 1. May God bless you. Number 2. May you live long. Number 3. May peace prevail. These sentences express wish or prayer. So, a sentence that expresses wish or prayer is called an optative sentence. Look carefully. It is very important for you. Number 1. You are happy. Assertive sentence. Number 2. Are you happy? Interrogative sentence. Number 3. Be happy. Imperative sentence. Number 4. How happy you are. Exclamatory. Number 5. May you be happy in life. Optative. Same idea. Different purpose plus different types of sentence. Today we learned a sentence may be one word or multi-word. The meaning of the sentence depends on context. A correct sentence needs completeness, proper word order, proper punctuation, and connection. 5 types of sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory, and optative. Today you did not memorize. You discovered. That is real learning. Sentence is not just grammar. It is meaning plus structure plus context plus expression. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to English Grammar Academy to get the next video as soon as I upload. Now tell me in the comments which topic do you want in the next video. Thank you for watching.